Hello Snail Mail Friends, welcome to the first how-to video of snailmailfriends.com. Normally we would start by making a swap with send a swap. In this case I'm going to skip a little ahead for those who have been with us for a while and have asked questions about the swaps. And today it will be one of the reminders. In the first video I showed you a swap that we've sent, and it will be in our all sent outgoing swaps. I already made a new one for a video, and that's why you see the one here. But let us go to all send outgoing swaps, and there you have our YouTube test swap. My swap progress is 100% completed. So if I do read more, I can see I have completed all the steps and I have 100%. Sometimes you will see 85%. Most people think once they have written the address label, marked as shipped, that you're done. But if you don't click the marker shipped on the end, then you will still have the 85%. So 85% is not completely shipped. But let us go back to the other side. So I've sent it. She's waiting for my swap, and the other way around, I'm waiting for hers. And I can see which steps she has clicked, if she has clicked crafting, and so on. So if I go back to my swap tracker and go to all incoming swaps, I have one incoming swap. When I click it, I can see the YouTube test swap from my swap partner. And I can also see the swap progress. It's 15% completed. If I do read more, I can see swap status, current status, accepted swap. That's the 15%. We tweaked the date a little bit so we could actually get the button for the reminder because the swap is overdue. She hasn't finished all the statuses and already had some reminders that she has to take action. And in this case, she didn't. And we have now the option to send a reminder. And please do use the button. You can also send a private message, of course, but do use the button for send reminder. So if we do click the send reminder, are you sure you want to send a reminder? In this case, yeah, I would do so because it's very far behind. So yes, I'm sure, send reminder. Now you have sent a reminder to your swap partner and she has to check her status of the swap. You might get a private message back, for example, that they are late for some reason, you name it, but you have gone through the system and clicked it as a reminder. So the system knows that you sent a reminder and will wait for the next step to happen. Normally, it will go to 100%, it will be shipped, and so on. Of course, there will be a new button available, and that one will become a how-to in the next video. Sorry for the phone reminder because of this one. I just got a mail. Oh, that's funny. Um, if your swap partner hasn't shipped it out by August 13, you will have the option to hide it from your incoming swap list to keep it clean. This is the next step. And this would be very, how do you would say that? It would be the last step because that would mean you haven't had any contact options whatsoever. You can, of course, send a reminder again or message Snail Mail Friends itself, so myself, to see if we can contact the person in question. But the next step will be another how-to video. So this is the reminder. So if you have trouble with one of your swaps, you can check them. Go to your swap tracker, go to incoming swaps, and look at this, the status. If you have done all the steps, you can also send a private message again, of course, because some people, yeah, some things can happen. I mean, this is life. In one of the next videos, I will show you the hide option and what the consequences for that are. In this case, we've hidden it. In this case, we have the reminder sent in place, and now we're going to wait what will happen with this swap. So if you have any incoming swaps that have not been sent, click the button. If you have any questions about the reminder function, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. If you're not yet a Snail Mail Friends member, I hope you register and join in the fun.